And he is commanded by God na kumuha ng isang babaeng wardam. Imagine that you are commanded by God, umasawa ka. Na you consecrate yourself. You pursue holiness in all your life. Wait, listen. You pursue holiness. You want to please God with all your life, and then God will ask you, command you, go and find yourself a wife na wardam. Imagine that. Wait. Ito The book tells us the depth of God's love for His people. Hindi ito si Hosea. Imagine niyo, sumipat niya tayo kay Hosea. Imagine niyo, I love you, Lord. I love you, Yahweh. I will do this because you love your people. Ang sakit nun. Prostitute eh. Tapos itong prostitute. Tapos, ang matindi pa, hindi yan. Ano ba? Ito yung matindi. Chapter 3, inutusan na naman. Ha? Who is loved by another man, verse 1, and is an adulteress. May asawa, kukunin mo, o daspatin mo yan, kunin mo yan. Imagine the pain, that Hosea is burying. Now, the question is, ano ang solusyon natin? If you place yourself on Hosea's feet, paano mo gagawin yun? And there's no other way na iisipin mo talagang humiwalay. This is filthiness. This is dirty before God, but then it's ironic kasi si God ang may utos sa'yo. And you want to follow God. And we can't find a solution, honestly. And I understand. Listen. I respect the solution and all the things, but then we forgot Hosea is a real person. And imagine niyo yung tindi ng pinagdadaanan nito Hosea. Tapos ang matindi, ito yung pangalan ng anak mo, No Mercy, Not My People, Not My People, Jezreel, All Their Life. Yung tatlong anak mo, alipustahin yun. Wait. What I want to tell in this classroom is let's look on the father sense of Hosea. We are coming up with a solution. Yes, it's good. But then this is a real time situation. Ito yung nangyari talaga sa kantuan. It's not just parang isang picture lang ng ito. We want i-embrace natin eh. Because this is not a myth. It's a real story. Man, imagine, siguro sabi mo, wow, thank you Lord. I just pray na hindi ako maging ganon, or Lord, preserve us, or Lord, would you help this kind of family? Diba? At, ayun lang. We're just this group was so affected of Hosea's situation. Diba? Oo, sige na, wala. Tama yung situation.